Equity markets around the globe are higher on Wednesday. Wall Street is set for a lift on the latest earnings reports. Meanwhile, there is caution in the air on Fed Day. Now, keep in mind that Boeing is set to lift the Dow after posting profit that topped forecasts and also after the company lifted its outlook. Now, back to the FOMC, the central bank is expected to keep rates on hold, but at the same time, any clues on how the Fed will cut bond holdings will be awaited. And in the previous session, U.S. indices closed higher, boosted by shares in the consumer services, banks, and food staples retailing sectors. On the economic data front, the FHFA house price index improved by 0.4% month over month in May. Meanwhile, the Conference Board's consumer confidence index came in near record highs at 121.1 in July. And last but not least, on the data front, the Richmond Fed manufacturing index for July doubled to 14. And 64% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher on Tuesday. Now moving on to earnings. Coca-Cola topped earnings forecasts on both the top and bottom line. Coke raised its full-year forecast with the company supported by growth in its newer products. And Ford topped analysts' expectations on Wednesday and raised its full-year forecast. Now the company showed a strong performance from its financing arm and sales of its F-Series and other trucks. As for overseas markets, the Nikkei was higher by 0.5%, the Hang Seng advanced 0.3%, and South Korea's Kospi was slightly lower, down 0.2%. European indices are trading higher in mid-week trade. Here in the U.S., for the S&P 500, a rebound is expected. As for the Nasdaq, a further advance is expected today. Trading central analysts do prefer long positions above 59.20, with targets standing at 59.46 and 59.55 in extension. Last but not least, for the Dow Industrials, a further advance is expected.